I am the princess of this kingdom. I demand respect from my people.
So this is the video without the lip syncing, okay? This one without the lip sync. Okay, so I'll be teaching you how to do that today. You all remember I taught you about this particular app that we used like some few days ago. I did a tutorial on that app, how to generate videos and how to generate images on that app. And I told you that this app have a lot of different options, and I'll be teaching you all these options one after the other. So today I'll be teaching you how to actually lip sync with this particular app, how you can actually input your video and make it lip sync, or you can input a picture, generate a picture to a video, and then make the video lip sync, like make the video talk like the person talking, and the mouth follows the way the talking comes out. Okay, I teach you how to monetize the social media platforms, how to edit videos, how to work with AI, and how to grow on social media. So if there's any AI tool you want me to teach you, please drop it in the comment section, and I'll be teaching you that AI tool the next. Somebody asked me about Magic Light. We'll be doing Magic Light next video. Okay, so yeah guys, let's go into this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to follow, please. Let's go into this video. Let me teach you how you can. So let's go. Let me show you how you can do this beautiful edit with AI that is actually free. Yes, they give free coins. They give 180 free coins every day. Don't tell me it's not free, please. It is free because I've shown all the tutorials there. So let's go. Let me show you what to do. Go to your browser and type Nim AI. This is the name of the app. Okay, guys, this is Nim AI, right? My previous video, I talked about Nim AI, and I showed you guys how to generate a picture to video, right? The video we made, and I promised to show you guys all the other features in the Nim AI, how you can use the lip syncing, how you can do image to video and all that. I did image to video, but I was promising to show you how you can add in the voice and do the lip sync. So this is actually Nim AI. For those of you, this is the name up here, NIM. That's the name up there. You can see it down here again, NIM videos. Let me just put it here. Check out the profile so you all see how it is. The name of the app. So this is the video I generated. For those of you who are just watching for today, this is the video I generated, right? Okay, so I'll go click this star up here, these two stars in the middle here. I'll click those stars up there. Now I want to, this one is text to image, and I don't want text to image. I'll click on tools and go to image to video. Image to video. And when you click on image to video, guys, before going, let me show you people here. I'll click on top of the profile. You see there free coins. You have 110 free coins. Please don't tell me you couldn't download. This is it here, 110 free coins. You can do a lot with this 110. Now I'll just click on this again and make this go. So what I'll do is here I'll click on tools, and then I go to image to video. I'll click on here and I bring image from my phone. Okay, so this is an image I just generated. I'll click on this image here. Prompts, let's see. I think I just okay. Two ladies. I'll just put two ladies selling fish. Two ladies selling fish in the market. Okay, so that's it, because this is what I use. Now I'll use clean AI to generate this video. And what else? Yeah, we already have our picture standard is already there, which is the, how do you call it, which is the YouTube video standard. It's already there, so we don't need to add in another video standard. So I'll just click on generate, right? I'll click on generate and we wait for it to generate. So let's wait. Enchanting prompt, we don't want to enchant, so it's in query. This is it down here. You can see it down here in query. So let's wait for it to query and finish. Let's wait for it to query and finish. So you can see it up there generating to 6%. Let's wait, guys. You all know AI tools, if we are not paying for them, they're a little bit slow. And again, my network has been messing up, so yeah, let's just wait for it to generate and finish. Okay, now you can see this is the video and this is the generation, right? This is the video they gave us. So I think this video is good. The reaction is good. Everything, it makes sense to me. Now you come down here under your image that you generated. There's upscale, there's restyle. If you want to restyle it, there's upscale. You add description, yeah, add sound, yeah, edit clip if you want to edit the clip, which means if there's some parts inside the clip you want to cut, you can cut. Now I'll click on more tools, right? When you click on more tools, you see lip sync. You click on lip sync. Now this is the video here. They'll tell you upload or drop, right? Text to speech or which one. So I think target image or video. So I'll think here, this is our video. Let's download it. Okay, let's download this video. I've downloaded my video. Let me go to my file and put it in my let's wait. Let me put it in my box so I'll get it easier. Okay, I'll get it easier. Let's go back. So I'm looking for, here they say text to speech, right? So let's just put text to speech because I don't have any speech that I already prepared. So I'll go here, text to speech. Mama, I want us to sell this fish fast and go home because the sun is too hot today. Okay, so now here they're asking of voice. I think they have Rachel and Bobby. Let's choose, I think Rachel will be a female, so let's go with that. Now yeah, they say upload or use voice sample. So I'll just click here, text to speech. I added my text to speech. Upload. Let's upload the video. Bring back the video. There is the video putting up. Okay, so I added the video. Let's wait for the video to come up, please. Okay. All right, so we have the video there, and I've already put what I want them to say. Then I'll click on generate. Okay, I'll click on generate, and then we wait. We click on generate, then we wait. So this is it here, generating. Let's see how lip syncing on this app, how it is, because of course I want to know the professional level of this, what they're doing. So it's generating. It's 24 minutes going. 24 minutes going, you know. So I think on this app, when you've generated, because I've used it many times already yesterday, the day I showed you guys about it, then yesterday and today. So it looks like when you're generating more, they're giving you the watermark. The first day I generated, I had no watermarks on the video, but today I think I see watermark, which you can actually cover with your logo, which is still okay. And you can actually use it without copyright because they're giving you the right to use it. They themselves, they're giving you the right to use it. The app is not like all these other apps where if you use them, you'll be getting a copyright, you know. So, yeah. It's 80% left. Please, if you're watching till now, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment. And don't forget to ask me the next AI tool you want me to teach you, or anything particular in AI that you want me to teach you. Okay? Because, yeah, I am here because you're there, and you're there because I am here. Does that even make sense anyways? I don't know if that makes sense anyways, but yeah. Let's wait 99% and we are good to go. Guys, sorry that these apps are taking time, okay? But yeah, you all know free things, like I always say. Free things no be here. We go wait, woto. So it's 99. And okay, let's open it up and see. Oh, okay. The lip sync is
fast and go home because this mama want us to sell this fish fast and go home because this mama want us to sell this fish fast and go home because this mama
okay.
want us
I
to
don't know,
sell
but
this
I feel
fish
like it's okay.
fast and go home because this mama want us to sell this fish fast.
Let's mute. Okay. I think this is good, right? But I'll advise, if you're using this app, you should use a video with one person. One person, actually, if you want to lip sync. do it one person at the time, okay? But the lip sync actually works, and the audio that I uploaded was a little bit longer, so they just said the part that was supposed to be in the audio. So I think I like this. For me, I like for a free app, of course, I like it. So let's click here and download. Click and download your video, and let's try the next tool that is here. So color grading, if you want to do color grading, if you want to do slow motion, if you want to do expression transfer, you can do the expression transfer. Let's see. Now expression transfer is too many frames, maximum 150. Okay, we cannot do the expression transfer now because we don't have all the frames available. So yeah, relight. If you want to relight, you click there and you relight the image. These people are doing too much. This app is way more than what it's. The app is giving what it's not supposed to be giving, because they are giving too much for free. Replace background. You can come here and click and replace the background of whatever you want to do. So realistic, yeah, they're giving you choice of background to replace. They're giving you choices of background to replace here. You can see that you have different backgrounds to replace. So yeah, they have different tools, and I've just showed you guys text to image. And then now I showed you image to video and the lip sync. We've not even gone to like the restyling. We've not gone to upscale, frame, expression, because the app is too broad. If I want to do a video only on this app, it's going to take us like 1 hour long video. And I don't want the videos to be 1 hour long because you all will be complaining. But please go through these tools. Go through these tools and check them out. Please check them out, okay? Check the tools out. If you want me to help you with anything on this app, this particular app, just comment in the comment section. Name, please tell me, show me how to do this particular thing on Name, and I'll show you, okay? But the app practically does everything. The app does everything. They're asking us for relighting. Let me bring up this same video and relight this video, okay? Let's see how their relighting works. But this app is good. Restyling. So here we have our style. I can choose, I can decide to choose something else like anime, You can choose anime, you can choose anything. You can choose 3D. Let's see how they give us the 3D. Let's create a prompt. Let's say 2 ladies talking. 2 ladies. I don't want 2 women talking. I don't want to do too much long talking. Okay. Let's click on that and see. So we still have to wait. And for it to generate. So I'll not like to waste your time, but I'll show you after this. So I'll cut this for now and show you when the generation is done. Guys, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share, and do not forget to comment in the comment section.